Hey all, Ryan from Prima Coffee Equipment here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BWT Bestmax premium filter cartridges. These are a multi-stage filter cartridge, great for filter coffee and espresso use. They're available in 5 different sizes. We don't have the large here with us today. Each size correlates to the amount of hardness minerals that it can retain in the resin filter. So starting with the first stage of filtration, it's going to remove particulates like sand or rust in the water. Then it's going to move on to a couple different stages of carbon filtration, which removes things like chlorine, any off tastes or odors, or any organic material that's left in the water. The most exciting stage is the ion exchange stage, which is also known as softening. And this is where the hardness minerals are retained by that resin and exchanged with sodium ions. And during this stage, the filter also releases magnesium back into the water. And magnesium is advantageous for coffee flavor. It tends to highlight some of the attributes in coffee that we really like sweetness or acidity. So you're going to want to take a look at our spec sheet online to figure out which option is best for you, because it greatly depends on the hardness of your water. If you have low hardness in your water, maybe 7 grains or lower, and you don't need to use that much water, like maybe a home setting, yeah, get the small version or maybe even the medium. If you're a cafe that has low hardness, 7 or lower, then consider the medium or large. But if you have a ton of hardness in your water, 15 or 20, you really need to be considering the XL or the double XL. Otherwise, you're just going to be changing these filter cartridges constantly. One way to help you with that is the Bwt Aqua Meter. And basically, this is a flow meter that you can program to alert you when the programmed amount of water has passed into the cartridge. So let's say, I know I need to replace this every 2,000 gallons. Well, tell your Aqua Meter that, and it'll alert you as soon as it's time to replace that cartridge. Also included with these is this flex head. This is a really well-built head. Some cool features on it include a bypass valve at the top with 3 stages. So BWT recommends using those 3 stages at different points of water hardness. So if you have low water hardness, you're going to want to set it to 1. And that basically means that the least amount of water is being sent to the resin filter to have the minerals filtered out of it. If you have really hard water, you switch the bypass setting to 3, which means most of the water is being treated to get those minerals out. Also on this cartridge head is a flush valve, and basically when you install these, you're going to want to make sure that the first bit of water that comes through is flushed out and does not go to your espresso machine or your coffee filter, because there are some residue that comes out when you first install it. You're going to want to wait until the bubbles stop. When you stop seeing bubbles forming in the water, then you can go ahead and run the water directly to your espresso machine. So that's the BWT Bestmax premium line. Again, these are awesome for both filter coffee and espresso. They not only will clean your water, remove hardness, but also add beneficial minerals back in to improve the taste of your coffee. Check it out at primacoffee.com. Thanks so much for watching.